Hi loves, welcome back to the channel. So today I'm going to share with you guys my updated beauty routine, and it is pretty much no makeup. It's really simple. There's a few things that are happening in my life right now. One, I'm pregnant obviously, and I'm just all about efficiency at this point of like getting things done, and also two, I moved out of my place and I don't have a house right now. I'm currently living out of my in-laws place and living out of boxes. And although I'm so thankful that they have offered us a free room where we don't have to pay rent for 3-4 months, it's also very challenging because it's a very tiny room that me, Alan, Chloe, and my dog Mignon were all sharing. And there's absolutely no space for my beauty products, clothes, none of that. So I've had to become super minimal just with my everyday, routine. But I've realized I've been wearing no makeup for the most part for the past few days unless I have to film. But I've realized that the more I take care of my skin, the less makeup I need. And it's not necessarily about how much makeup I have on to make me feel beautiful, but it's just kind of like the simple little things that make my skin feel nice, makes my lips feel smooth, and just like having a little bit of like that glow that really makes me feel beautiful. And it's been really nice actually to not be wearing that much makeup. So today I'm going to share with you guys kind of the products that I've been using to make myself feel put together, but still without any makeup, and I hope that you guys enjoy it. All right, let's get started. Okay, first I will always pull my hair back. After my skincare routine, I will always use a mist to set my face and moisturize it. This one's really amazing because it has rosewater in it. And the smell of rosewater just makes me feel so relaxed, and I think it's more of the scent that kind of prepares me, my mind and my soul for the day. This is Badescu. I'm definitely saying it wrong, but this is a facial spray with aloe, herbs, and rosewater, so it's really calming, really enriching for the skin. Okay, next is these guys. These are the KNC Beauty Eye Masks, which I love. So I really like these guys because it's so cooling, and immediately right when I put it on, it almost feels like my eye bags are depuffing. Sometimes I'll like get Chloe's breakfast ready, or I'll get her changed for school, and then once it's done, that usually takes me about like 20 minutes or so, I'll take these guys off, and I feel like my eyes are just like instantly brighter. I don't have it today, but usually I will use an eye cooling roller, and that really helps me depuff this eye area and just get it brightened. And this is great. I like this brand because it doesn't have any parabens, it's all natural, no sulfates, no artificial dyes, there's no fragrance, so it's just really safe and natural, and I just feel like it does the job. So the next thing I focus on are my lips. My lips are extremely chapped. I don't care what season it is, spring, summer, winter, fall, it's always chapped. And I have a very bad habit of like picking at them. I don't know why I do that. Maybe it's just like a habit. But I've tried every single scrub out there, and there are some good ones, but my absolute favorite one right now is this guy from Frank Body, and it is a coffee scrub. And I don't know if it's because I'm pregnant and I can't drink coffee right now, but I am just so obsessed with the scrub because it tastes like coffee and I feel like I'm getting my coffee fix. There's something about the grains that is so addicting to just like keep scrubbing, and it's not too harsh where it's gonna damage your lips. Okay, and then afterwards I will go with a lip balm. Okay, so I think you're meant to do the scrub first and then go with the lip balm, lip gloss. This one is actually amazing because it has kind of like slight illumination to it. So it's probably the most moisturizing lip balm I've used. It feels like Vaseline, but with like a ton of moisturizer in it. Okay, so I'm gonna take these guys off now. Do I look younger? No. All right, so moving on to skin. I don't like to wear foundation, even BB cream. Sometimes I'll wear BB creams, but it's still makeup technically. So I found a product that has moisturizing benefits, but also skin correcting, color correcting benefits, and also has SPF in it. So it's kind of everything that I need in a product, and it's this guy. This is called Cicapair. It's from Dr. Jart. It's more skincare more than makeup, but it also could act as makeup. So it just looks like this. It almost looks like a mask. Like when I first got this, I honestly thought it was like an overnight mask or a clay mask or something. But what's great about this is that no matter what your skin color or your skin type is, you rub it in and it blends into your skin tone. But it also moisturizes it, and it also has SPF in it while color correcting and kind of giving you more of like a smooth canvas. But you have to blend it in quite a bit. Skin feels really moisturized. Like my skin feels really supple right now, which is nice. And I feel like it has given me more of an even complexion than before. But again, it's not makeup. It's just, you know, something that corrects your skin color. Also note that this is a great product to use before your makeup if you do plan on using makeup, just because it corrects your skin color and it kind of evens everything out. So if you do plan on wearing makeup, you could use this as a base almost, but I just like to use it as is. One thing I never leave the house without is this guy, an eyelash curler. It's amazing what an eyelash curler can do on those no makeup days. It's so subtle, because on my no makeup days, I don't even wear mascara, but it just kind of opens up the eyes. Alright, this is a product that can be makeup, I guess you can say, but it's not really, because it's all natural and it's super minimal. So in my opinion, it's not makeup. It's just kind of like an everyday thing that I use. So this is the Tata Harper Volumizing Lip and Cheek Tint. It gives you a bit of color. I love Tata Harper as a brand because they're all natural. It's a really safe product to use, especially during pregnancy. And then onto the excess on my cheek. I think everyone needs a little bit of color to look alive. So this is the extent of the color that I usually use on my no makeup days. And sometimes I will even add it onto my lids to give, do you guys know, like kind of like glossy lid look? And now I have a little bit of color, just like a tint of color on my lid, cheek, and lips. It's all you need to look alive. Okay, well, the last thing that I usually do for my face and my body is an illuminizer. It could be really any illuminizer. This one happens to be Frank again. I don't know. They sent me a bunch of products and I ended up loving them because they work very well. They're a brand from Australia and it's just very natural. So this is almost like a balm. So you could really add this anywhere. You could add it a little bit onto your lips, but I like to add it onto my cheekbones. And it just gives you that nice illuminating glow. I think the number one thing that makes people look tired is not really like the lack of color, but it's when you look dull. Like there's no shine to your face. I'll add it onto my nose bridge. And then I also add a bit onto, especially during the summer, if you're showing off like some skin, I like to add it onto my collarbones. And last but not least, my hair. I know everyone's different, but for me, I feel the most pulled together and put together when my hair is completely pulled back. It's almost like an instant facelift for me. I almost feel more alive and awake when my hair is pulled back, whereas when my hair is down, I don't know, I just feel kind of messy. But anyways, I have a lot of crazy baby hairs, and although I wish I could just easily pull it back, I always have to end it with something that will tame my baby hairs. So I'll always carry around a pomade of some sort. This one is from Orbi. It's a rough luxury molding wax. Tame all these crazy babies down. So that is pretty much it of how I feel beautiful without makeup almost every single day as of lately. And I hope that you guys can really find your inner beauty as well and just really figure out what those little things are, whether it's making your skin glow or whether it's carrying around a face mist or scrubbing your lips. Just remember that sometimes it doesn't mean that you have to wear a lot of makeup to be beautiful. It's really about feeling good inside, and this is pretty much how I feel great inside without any makeup on. So hope that you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know if you guys have any questions about the products. I'll be linking them all down below. And per usual, thank you so much for watching. I love you guys, and I will see you soon.